Hey mortgage brokers and loan officers, how's it going guys? Welcome back to another case study video. Don't worry, it's not going to be a long educational video. It's just a short case study result oriented video. Alright, so yeah, I just wrapped up a campaign for one of my clients in New Jersey and the results were absolutely insane. Like we generated in 54 plus qualified applications and 24 borrower appointments were directly booked into his calendar within like 20 days. It's not even like a month, it's like 21 days. So yeah, let me just break down exactly how we did it and what was the process and everything. And so yeah, this client is a loan officer licensed in New Jersey. By the way, great guy, knows his stuffs. Been there in this industry for years. But yeah, he was having the same old problem I see with a lot of mortgage professionals in this industry. He was working his butt off, putting in 12 hours a day, but his lead flow was all over the place. Some months like he'll be slammed, another month he's sitting there wondering like where his next client's coming from. I can give you a surety like most of the loan officers out there can relate to this statement. Yeah, and here's what was happening to him. Like he was like spending most of his time chasing unqualified leads, people who weren't serious at all, people who were just just shopping around and talking to 10 other brokers out there. They were just basically typicals. And the worst part here was he was throwing money at Facebook ads, Google ads, and that weren't converting at all. And the classic mistake on the top of this was like he had no system, no processes, just hoping something would stick around. And yeah, of course he had tried multiple lead vendors as well, like Zillow, Realtors, but nothing worked for him. So yeah, here's what we did first. Like he came to us and we understood like what was his pain point, what was the core problem that we need to target, and we need to find the solution for that. So here's what we did. First, we created a compelling offer specially designed for New Jersey borrowers out there, not some generic offers. We were targeting first time home buyers of who are like from New Jersey. So yeah, we were niche down to the loan type and the targeted area as well. So we combine these both parameters, the loan type which is FHA and the targeted area which is New Jersey, and then we created a compelling offer that basically attract the New Jersey first time home buyers. And then we built out a landing page that was specially optimized for mobile phones, because let's be real guys, everyone is on their phone, right? Nobody's filling out the information through their laptop or PC out there, because the ads are running on social media platforms and everyone is out there surfing on the social media platform through their phones only. So we have to make sure that the landing page that we are building out are specially optimized for mobile phones. And here's the key, we on the top of that we set up an automated qualification process on the landing page. So before anyone could even book a call with our client, they had to go through our pre-qualification sequence, because this weeds out the typicals and only sends him people who are actually ready to move forward. And the result for this was absolutely incredible. In just 1 month we generated him like 54 plus qualified website application that came through the landing page. Through qualification, these are not just these are not just random inquiries. These are people who are actively looking for buying and who filled out their information by themselves. So, and of course his calendar, our client's calendar, were went from sporadic to completely booked with qualified prospect. I talked to him last week, by the way. He said like something that really stuck with me. He goes like, for the first time in years, I'm not chasing leads; they are coming to me, because he's getting inbound calls directly to his phone. Like leads are directly calling him through on his phone, and he's just picking up the call and talking to them and trying to help out the best he can. And of course his whole business transformed. Instead of working in the business all day hunting for clients, he's working on his business, because the lead generation is handled and the quality, night and day difference. These aren't just people calling around and getting quote from 10 different brokers. These are serious borrowers who understand his process and are ready to work. So here is the live result of meta ad that we are generating for our New Jersey client for FHA leads. So as you can see, the ads are active here, and let me just show you. The website application that are submitted here is 58. That is like someone who is filling 10 to 15 questions on the website and the landing page that we are optimizing for our client. And the leads are answering like 15, almost like 15 questions in order to become a lead. So we are making more resistant for someone to become a lead. That's why we are getting a good amount of quality leads. And as you can see here, the cost per lead, of course, it's close to $11. It's a bit high because we are disqualifying majority of the leads based on their credit score and yearly household income. So like if someone has less than 580 credit score, we are disqualifying them then and there only. So yeah, that's why the cost per lead is a bit high, but the quality is insane. So as you can see, the amount spent here is $631, which is not a big amount, of course, and still we are generating a good amount of results here. And yeah, rest all is like a bit technical stuff. So yeah, let me just quickly show you the appointments that are generated. As you can see here, the dates and all. Today is like August 13 here, mine is 14 because the time zone difference. So as you can see, he has like 5 appointments in the pipeline. And let me just show you the calendar view here. As you can see, these are all the appointments we are generating. Every day we are generating like 1 to 2 appointments, sometimes like 3 appointments as well. So yeah, he's getting insane results. Of course, the show up rate will be like around 60 to 70%. So yeah, it's going great. We'll be like optimizing more, and in terms of the ads creative and all the stuff. So yeah, this was a short and sweet case study video from my side. I hope you liked it and got some value from this as well. And of course, if you're tired of the feast of ML cycle, if you're spending like too much time chasing unqualified leads, and if you want a predictable system that brings you qualified prospect every single month, book a free audit call from the link down description below. And I'll be hopping on a call personally to look at your current situation, and I'll show you exactly how we can build a system like this for your business. And of course, if you like this case study video that helped you out and got some value from this, like the video and subscribe the channel to get more real results, insights, and mortgage insights and educational video as well. And I'll be recording more videos in the future. And of course, drop a comment below what's the biggest challenge with the lead generation right now. Like I'll be personally replying to your questions here. And of course, till then, keep hustling, keep working hard. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.